Introducing the Trafft WordPress booking plugin, your gateway to effortless integration with Trafft SaaS, designed exclusively for WordPress users. Elevate your website with the power of Trafft, seamlessly incorporating the booking form and converting visitors into valuable customers. Trafft is versatile and caters to a range of businesses, including barbershops, beauty salons, healthcare, fitness, education, coaching and consulting, and more. This integration is a game changer for anyone using WordPress to manage their online presence. It seamlessly combines the power of Trafft scheduling and booking capabilities with the versatility of WordPress. Adding the Trafft booking form to your WordPress site is super easy. All you need is an existing Trafft account, linked with our dedicated WordPress booking plugin. It's that simple to turn your website into a conversion powerhouse. If you're new to Trafft, kickstart your journey by creating an account on our website. Once done, connect it with the Trafft booking plugin. Upon registration, enjoy a 14-day free trial with full access to all premium features. Once the trial concludes, stick with the free plan or explore our premium options. We prioritize your data security. The plugin involves specific calls to external servers for CSS and JS files, ensuring a smooth visual and front-end experience. Your data and layout are retrieved securely from your Trafft account. Check out our terms of service and privacy policy for more details. Ready to get started? Visit trafft.com for more information or catch us on YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram.